Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I thought I would show you 3 fabric beaded Christmas tassels for junk journals or any kind of journal or even a planner. I will link to what I find is the easiest tutorial below in the comment section, but what you really need is just an assortment of ribbons or fabric. You can make it as tatty and junky or as elegant as you want. I got these ribbons in bunches from michaels.com last year, and I got, let's see, some gold and silver bunches, then a bunch of neutrals, then reds and greens. So you can mix and match, make, whatever you want. For these, I made mostly red and gold, but then I have this, I mixed gold, silver, red, green, and I'll show you all that. So what you need is some fabric. These end up measuring approximately 11 inches, so you'll probably want to have like 22 inches total to start out with. And I used Beaded 19 strand bead stringing wire. And the reason why I use this is because you can knot it. And so it's super strong and you can knot it, and then you're not dealing with, metal wire and what have you. And it's easier to do the beads as well. What you do is you take a jump ring, you put it through some wire, then you double string it through some beads, knot it really well, wrap it around the fabric, and you have it. So I'll link to the tutorial because I'm not going to show you here, but I wanted to show you what you would need. So I recommend any kind of like bead stringing wire that can be knotted. Like I said, this is the 19 strand. You want some jump rings because you want to put a ring through the string so you can have a holder. Now you can leave the jump ring as is, but I bought these swivel lobster clasps. You can get them on Amazon in a bunch in different finishes. So the one I got came in a plastic container and has silver, bronze, rose gold, gold tone, and black. This was really good to make some Halloween ones. And so you don't need to put that on the end, but I like that. So if somebody wants to put it on a junk journal spine, it'll swivel for them. So see, that's a swivel. I mean, someone commented on my Facebook page that you could even make these into tree ornaments. And you absolutely could. You could use some heavier gauge, maybe like 2018 gauge wire, and make hooks for these to put them on trees, or if you can find really large jump rings. You also need a decent set of wire cutters to cut the wire, because I'm not so sure it might damage regular scissors. And I used to, I think these are needle nose or flathead, and I use these because when you open a jump ring, you never want to go this way. Because it's very hard to get it back into shape. What you want to do is you want to take the ring and you want to just twist like that, add your your lobster claw or whatever, and then put it back like that. So you want to do twist, not pull. So I wanted to show you the final results. I used some really nice blinged out boho beads. This one is in red, creams, and gold. Isn't that gorgeous? Like I said, they all measure around 11 inches from here to the end. This one, I love this. It looks like a sweater bead. This one I did mixed metal. I did silver and gold. And I also put silver and gold in the tassel. My son recommended that. And I said, "You think I should do that?" He goes, "Yeah, that reminds me of Christmas, silver and gold." So I was going to just use silver, but then I decided to mix it. So I have like silvers and golds and greens and reds. And then this one, I love how this came out. It had like a pearl type bead and of course a tricked out boho bead. This one is mostly reds and golds and creams. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. I can see how you could definitely use that on a pretty Christmas tree. So, one of these is already up. This one's already up on my Shea Boyer Etsy shop, sheaboyer.etsy.com. It's our little family shop. And I'll be listing these two as well. But again, you can make these yourself, any colors, any themes, and I will leave in the description box the tutorial that I have found to be the easiest. So I thought I'd share these and inspire you, and if you have any questions, if I can help you, feel free to ask me. If you want these yourself, again, just visit my Shea Boyer Etsy shop. And I wish you happy creating this holiday season. Bye-bye for now.